Credit card, credit card, credit card. Ano nga ba ang perks ng paggamit ng credit card? Number one is convenience. They eliminate the need for us to bring a lot of cash. Lalo na pag nagpo-purchase tayo ng mga expensive items such as appliances or gadgets, it makes it more convenient for us to bring just one card rather than a bunch of bills, which allows us to have easier and more secure transactions. Number two is emergency funds. Just in case we don't have any cash on hand and kailangan natin mag-emergency purchase, having a credit card is very convenient for us. Easily, pwede tayong magbayad without having to acquire any immediate cash. Number three is security. So imagine na meron kayong dalang cash with you and then something happens, like someone stole your wallet or your bag. Ngayon, it's difficult to acquire your cash back. With a credit card, you can immediately call your bank and cancel your card, or kung may mga unauthorized purchases man na nagawa na from your credit card, pwede niyong ipa-dispute yung unauthorized charges. Credit cards, unlike cash or debit cards, come with security features and fraud protection. Build credit history. So dito lalabas yung pag-build ng credit score ninyo. If you use a credit card responsibly, like binabayaran nyo yung mga dues nyo on time, it can help you build a positive credit score. And this will help you in the long term kapag kunyari maglo-loan kayo sa bank. Or more opportunities for you to get better interest rates and more financial opportunities. Next is rewards and benefits. As much as possible, as long as the merchant accepts credit card, I try to use it rather than cash. Kasi depending on the credit card, nakaka-earn ka ng rewards such as points na pwede mong i-convert to other purchases or rebates. So in a way, it helps me save more. As long as you know how to use your credit card responsibly, then you won't have a problem. Dahil lang iiwasan mo lang naman dito is yung fees such as interest rates kapag hindi mo nababayaran ng full yung credit card balance mo. So unlike cash, meron kang makukuhang rewards and benefits whenever you use your credit cards. Travel perks. Some credit cards give travel insurance or other perks such as lounge access that will benefit you whenever you travel. And just like I mentioned earlier, instead of you having a lot of cash on hand, you can conveniently and securely transact through credit cards. If you're picking a credit card for travel purposes, one of the things you should check also is the foreign conversion fees. Syempre, the lower the better. Another one is record keeping. Ako personally, I have a record of my daily expenses and income, and I use it very religiously. Daily talaga ako nag-update. But then, if you're someone that don't usually record your expenses, maganda din ang credit card dahil magkakaroon ka ng detailed record of your expenses through the credit card statement. Dito niyo makikita how much you're spending and makakatulong din ito sa pag-create ng budget mo. Another one is online shopping. You can conveniently use your credit card on online transactions. Most banks, if not all, meron silang supplementary cards na ino-offer na pwede niyong i-link dun sa primary card niyo, such as an e-credit credit card. This credit card is linked to your primary credit card, but it has a limit. For example, meron kasi akong BPI e-credit card, but it only has a credit limit of 10,000 pesos. Whenever I make online transactions, I use this credit card dahil alam natin that with all the technological advances, meron pa ring mga online hackers. Para just in case na ma-hack yung credit card ko, hanggang 10,000 pesos lang. And of course, may report ko pa rin yun sa bangko. So as long as you are responsible in using credit cards, malaki ang advantage na makukuha nyo dito. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to check my other videos and see you again, guys, on the next video. Bye! Number one is convenience.